In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off AirPlay receiver on your iPhone. Alright, let's jump right in. Starting from the home screen, the first thing I'm going to do is open the Settings app on my iPhone. Once we're in Settings, I'll scroll down a bit and tap on General, since most of these system features are found there. Now that we're inside General, I'm going to scroll down until I see AirPlay and Continuity and tap on it. This is where Apple gives you control over features that let your iPhone connect with other devices like AirPlay, handoff, and continuity options. At the bottom of this menu, you'll see the AirPlay receiver toggle. To turn it on, simply tap the toggle so it's green and your iPhone will now be able to receive AirPlay streams from other Apple devices. To turn it off, just tap it again so it's grey and your iPhone won't show up as an AirPlay destination anymore, and that's it. Once you've set it the way you want, you can simply exit settings. This is a quick and easy way to manage whether other Apple devices can stream content to your iPhone. So that's how you turn on or off the AirPlay receiver on your iPhone, giving you control over when your device is available for AirPlay.